All right, Rob Workman here over here in the Fallon, St. Charles area, and just finished with a job over here. And Mr. Noah, can you go ahead and tell me a little bit about how your job went?
Oh, I thought the job went great. I mean, the guys came out and got on this thing. It took them about 3 weeks, I guess, to get it all finished up. And oh, this is my
Oh,
wife, Clara.
Hi there. Good
hello,
to see
Clara.
you again.
So we're doing a quick video here. You're in the video.
Oh God.
That's okay.
And she was doing most of the talking with the guys because she would be here when the guys would show up and
You
come
were
in
out
and
playing
leave.
golf.
I was out playing golf for most of the time, yeah.
So
But no, they seemed to kind of do whatever we wanted them to do, and we told them what their, if there were any problems, and they took care of them. So
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it. So it looks like we have a two-decker here. And I forgot before, did we have a deck all the way across this thing?
no, there was a
No.
10 by 12
A
over here.
10 by 20
and a
over
10 by
here.
12 here.
And then we had a 10 by 12, but now we made this into like a 20 by 12 or 20 by 10?
12 by 22,
Yeah,
isn't it?
22.
I
22.
think so.
It's 12 by 22.
Yeah, wow, this is pretty amazing here. So wow, what a neat backyard here. So what a great outdoor living experience. Really appreciate everything, and this will last you for 25 plus years, that's for sure.